This is Brian at CloudBees. In this video, we're highlighting a new feature in CloudBees Core, pipeline policies. These policies give administrators the ability to enforce best practices in pipelines. If a pipeline's implementation exposes the system to risk, policies can step in and give the pipeline's developer a warning, or even stop the pipeline from running until it's rewritten to follow the organization's rules. We'll demonstrate this feature in just a minute, but first, here's a situation where pipeline policies can save the day.
Okay, everyone, it's the last day of the sprint. Let's go around the call, see where we are. You know the drill. Tell us what you did yesterday, what you're going to do today, and if you have any blockers and impediments that you need help with. And remember, get your code into the final build at 5 p.m. and I'll see your virtual self at the release party. Brian, let's start with you.
Okay. I got final approval from the design team on my new UI, and so I got those changes implemented. No major impacts to the systems that Doug and Kristen are working on, so I'm good. No blockers, no impediments. I should have my final tests done and everything into the build this afternoon.
Cool. And Kristen?
All right, yesterday I had a bug in my JavaScript code that the user's second blog post after they logged in. Got that fixed. I'll have the code integrated with Brian's by mid-afternoon. No blockers.
Sounds like we're going to have a full house at the release party. Evil Doug, are you joining us?
Yes, I'm confident I will. I made some special changes to my pipeline yesterday. Feel really good about being at the release party. Maybe I'll see you guys there. With the changes I made to my build pipeline, no one will get their code into this release. I wait for manual input at the node level without specifying a timeout, so no one else's pipeline can run until I respond to mine. So I'll start it now, hit enter at 4:45, and I'll be the only one at the release party.
What Evil Doug doesn't know is that I've installed the new Pipeline Policies plugin. If you're a core customer, go to the plugin manager and search for CloudBees Pipeline Policies in the list of available plugins. Install it, and you can make sure that your Jenkins pipelines follow best practices. Now here's the not-so-evil Doug to show you a quick demo of that.
Hello, this is the not-so-evil Doug. We're about to define a policy that will certainly sink the sad, sinister scheme of Evil Doug. Let's take a quick look at what he's trying to do and how pipeline policies will save the day. His pipeline asks for input within a node block. That locks up a Jenkins executor indefinitely. To stop that, we'll define a pipeline policy. After opening the Pipeline Policies menu, we give the policy a name, a description, and a custom message, and we decide to kill any pipeline that breaks the rules. When Evil Doug tries to run his pipeline, it will fail, and it'll keep failing until he fixes it. The first version of the Pipeline Policies plugin also lets you define policies that enforce timeouts, requiring your developers to put a limit on how long a pipeline or stage or task can run. It's a great way to make managed masters more manageable.
Congratulations, everyone. We all hit our goals, even the stretch ones. That was the smoothest release we've had in a while.
Yeah, lots of times it seems like my build gets stuck in limbo for hours at a time. But yesterday, everything went great.
Yeah, it was great. Isn't that wonderful, Evil Doug?
Yeah, whatever.
So you probably don't have an Evil Doug on your team. Usually whenever a pipeline causes trouble, it's almost always an honest mistake. With the Pipeline Policies plugin, you minimize the damage those mistakes can cause, making your build engine run more smoothly and educating your developers as you go. An early, completely functional implementation of the Policies plugin is now available. Go to the plugin catalog and search for Pipeline Policies plugin. We encourage you to try it out and let us know how you'd like to see us expand it in the future. What other pipeline characteristics would you like to control with policies? On behalf of the CloudBees team, thanks for watching.